Hey, good morning, guys. It's early. I just woke up, and you know what? I am tired of this hair. I got that damn quarantine haircut going on. Or not, I got the quarantine hair, and I'm going to do a quarantine haircut, and you guys get to witness it. So I've never cut my hair by myself before. I've always had a chick come and cut my hair, or I'll go to the barber, or whatever. But because of this quarantine crap, I guess I got to do it myself. So let's see if I can figure this out. Oh, these things, they look cool, but they don't really sound very good. Let's see if it cuts. Oh, it cuts. Oh my God, that's a lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be. There we go. Yes, sirree. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I kind of like that. Well, I guess I know what I'm going to look like in a few years. What you guys think? Should I just rock it like this for a while? I think I might. I'm going to have fun with this. This is going to be my new look for a few days anyway. You all have a good one. See ya.